To plug a water leak like this, we use MaxPlug, since its setting time is around 2 to 3 minutes. Mix 3 parts of MaxPlug with 1 part of water to form a mortar consistency. Make a conical shape with the MaxPlug and ram it into the hole. Keep pressing without moving until the MaxPlug has set. This can be achieved even against water pressure. Immediately after the MaxPlug has set, level off the surface with a sharp trowel. Finally, coat with MaxSeal to hide the plug. This operation provides a permanent seal.